Do you think you have to go upside down when you use a yoga trapeze? No, you don't. Hi, I'm Anastasia. If you have been curious about yoga trapeze but unsure about going upside down or inverting, this sequence is for you. I have 5 beginner-friendly yoga trapeze moves for you that will help you lengthen and decompress the spine without any inversion. So if you are new to the trapeze, if you feel dizzy when you go upside down and just want a gentler way to open your back and your hips, this sequence is for you. Give it a try. Move slowly, let the breath flow, and have fun. If this sequence helped your spine to feel longer and lighter, let me know in the comments. And if you want more beginner-friendly yoga trapeze sequences for low hammock, restorative yoga trapeze, spinal decompression, hip openers, moves that make your body feel stronger and more empowered, make sure you subscribe and follow this channel. I'll be sharing new sequences every week. See you soon.